welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome here as well. And if you want to join the family, go ahead and subscribe and also follow me on my socials. And guys, exciting news, the summer is finally here, but also if you're in LA, you know it gets a little bit too hot. I'm kind of not ready for this, but to celebrate the beach season, swimming, pool, the sun, picnics, all this season, I decided to do a sun-kissed makeup. But actually in real life, I don't put sun-kissed makeup on because it's very like red, orange, but I'm so cool tone. Like I'm like winter cool tone. So I feel like it doesn't really match me, but I try to cater it as much as possible to my skin tone and created this sun-kissed look. And this look is extremely easy. So if you guys are a beginner or you just want like low maintenance, clean girl look, go ahead and keep watching. Before I start with makeup, I'm gonna go ahead and put the sunscreen on. As you can tell, this is in the last days, but it's okay because I always restock my products really fast. Like I have a whole new one right here. Because thanks to YesStyle, they always have a 1+1 going on for this sunscreen. I don't know how long these sales are gonna go for, but I've been getting this almost every month and I've been just stocking them in my house. But not only this one, they also have a lot of different like Korean sunscreens. And honestly, one of them that I would recommend would be this one right here. I recently tried this, but it's really lightweight and I love it. And you guys already know that I do have a discount code for YesStyle. And almost all of the products that I'm gonna use today will be found in YesStyle as well. Like 90% of the makeup that I use on a daily basis are all Korean brands. I didn't notice until recently, but yeah, life happens. First, I'm gonna start out with foundation. I'm 23, but I only have 21, 24, 25, so I guess I'll go with 24 neutral. This is my first time using it, but this is a serum cushion foundation, so I'm super excited about that. I was curious. And if I'm curious, you guys might be curious too, so here I am. Okay, why does that look a little bit dark? Wait, I think that's a perfect shade match. Anya. Okay, it's like really slightly darker than my actual skin color, but I don't mind that at all today. I was actually trying to go for something a little bit more tan because it is a sun-kissed look. I think this is perfect. I feel like a lot of Korean cushion foundations has been coming out as a serum cushion. For dry skin like me, it's really helpful. It keeps my face moisturized throughout the whole day. And I really like the way that this applies on my face, but I do need a little bit more coverage, but it's okay, this is good enough. But I do want to brighten some of the areas on my face, so I'm gonna go ahead with the concealer and brighten the shady areas. Let me just go ahead, pat this down. Oh, so much better. I think I'm gonna have a little lighting change really quick. Okay, hold up. I was gonna try new lighting today, but yeah, I don't like it. If you have a bronzer, go ahead and use a bronzer because that gives you a little bit more of a tanner look. But for me, I'm just gonna go with like a regular contour shade. But emphasize a little bit more on the cheekbones and a little bit on the jawline as well. Make me snatched. And contour the forehead. And honestly, for summer, I would say like something more orangey shadow, it would be better for that actual like sun-kissed look. But this will still work because I could mix blush with it. And with the nose contour, you could be pretty simple with it, but today, I never did this. But today, I'm just gonna bring it straight down. I'm gonna start with my nose tip, make my nose shorter, and then make it thinner. We need to make it thin today. Beautiful, do you see that straight line? And this line is like all over the place. But let's make that straight as well. Oh, lovely. And then up here, connecting the brow with my nose. Go ahead and emphasize my Cupid's bow as well. My spring makeup tutorial was like brown pink, but today is more like brown, orange, red. But I would say a lot of more brown. And with the Egg Star too, I usually put it in with the stick, but that one is very like fake looking, like you could tell that you drew it. But because I want to be a little bit more natural, like beach vibes, I'm gonna go with the brush and make my egg size so it's a little bit more natural. Oh yes, oh yes. Even the color, because it's matching all the shadings that I did in my face, it looks better. But if the egg size shade line is a little bit too thick, it looks like dark circles. So you gotta make sure to brighten up that fat area later, okay? Now I'm gonna move on to the eyebrows. And this can be drawn very naturally, not too defined, like on fleek, because that's gonna bring the focus up here, but that's not the point today, okay? If you have a lighter color brow pencil, go ahead and do that, only if you have the mascara as well. If your eyebrow color naturally is dark and you go for a lighter pencil, it's not gonna look balanced, not clean, a little bit disorganized. So make sure you have the eyebrow mascara that is the same color as your pencil. I would say today's makeup is slightly more catered towards warm tone. You can still see my natural shade, but it's just slightly filled in. Okay, now today's main character, we're gonna go into the blush. And for summer, for some reason, I like to have a little bit of a glowier finish for the blush, like a little bit shiny, you know? And there's a lot of glowy blush products these days, and I have these 3 right now. I think I wanna go with Bray, but I don't know which shade. This is definitely like my shade. But I feel like summer kind of vibes with this. Slightly like more orangey. I'm gonna go with this. Although I say like orange is the vibe, that's only for like warm tone people. Like I still need to cater to myself, my skin color, whatever, you know? Put this all over. Literally all over the cheek area. Isn't this color so cute, guys? And slightly like connected with your eyes too. And then with the axis, like really little bit, I'm gonna bring it like all the way down. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. It looks like I'm like sweating like crazy, huh? That's the vibe we're going for. Cross our nose. And then just a little bit on my forehead. Contour as well, like not in the middle. There you go. Oh my gosh, I'm so sun-kissed. Do you see that glowy finish? I love. And you know, for summer makeup, the most important thing now is to set your makeup. We're gonna have our spray number 1. This is such a beginner friendly makeup because this could also be used as a lip color. So I want them to be the same shade. So I'll just apply this on my lips as well. Honestly, I'll be down to put something really red too, but I don't look good in red lipstick. You know what? No, I'm gonna go for it. Let me go with Fui 30%. Okay, we're gonna move on to eyes. I'm gonna go back to the contour color and then put this dark one as my base eyelid color. And now with the lighter brown, I'm gonna go to the under eye, because if we do the too dark one, it could look like it's smudged or dark circles. So only on the edges. Now with the slight darker brown, but it is warm undertone, I'm going to put it on the outer side of my eye. Very, very lightly so that my eyes could have a little bit more depth, like that. And then with the axis, just go to the front and slightly swipe just a little bit. This part gotta be the darkest. So that's why we're starting it here. And then from here, we're gonna just keep blending in. And now moving on to the eyeliner. I'm gonna try doing the brown eyeliner because brown is just a look here, but brown just does not look too good on me. Like, I'm a black person. I need the black. But again, if you're a warm tone girly, go ahead and go with the brown. I would totally wanna do brown, but it just does not complement me. But because my hair is so pitch black, like, I just need to use black. And for today's eyeliner, it's gonna be a little bit longer, but then I still want it thin. That's gonna be my length. Just like that. I drew my eyeliner following my natural eye shape and just like brought it down. And now with the chocolate brown, a little bit darker than what I put overall, I'm gonna outline and blend my eyeliner very slightly right on top of the eyeliner. The transition from eyeliner to the eyeshadow is so much prettier. Okay, I'm done with the transition. Now I'm gonna go with the eyelashes. And guys, ever since I used that eyelashes in my spring makeup tutorial, like I low-key like this one more than Patent Pending. So I'm gonna go with Perfect 10 once again. So I'm just gonna curl my natural lashes first and then I'm gonna glue this on. But for my monolith girlies that don't get a double eyelid when you wear like lashes, I recommend you trying, if you want one, I recommend you trying like really thick eyelashes, and those have enough strength to like give you one. So if you find eyelashes that give you the double eyelid, just keep wearing them, kind of train your lids. So after that, when you like use a different, like a lighter lashes, it will give you the double eyelid. Because for me, I used to never get double eyelid, but now even when I put like a little like really light eyelashes, I get double eyelid. Okay, now from here, let me brighten up the aegyo side just a little bit because I'm not really gonna put highlighter here. It's very naturally. And now, guys, I lied. Blush is not the main character here. We have 2 main characters, which is the blush and highlighter. I rarely put highlighter, but today we're gonna go max with it. And I'm gonna use this one from Innisfree. This is really, really old, guys, but because I don't use highlighter, I haven't bought a new highlighter in a really long time, and this one is discontinued. And so many of you guys ask me all the time, so I feel really bad. So I'm sorry about that. Let me grab a new highlighter like very soon. Hopefully today's the last day I use this, but this is really pretty, guys. And then put it on my nose tip. You gotta be blinding, okay? And then right here, nose bridge. And then on the brow bone, cheek phone. Oh, I haven't done this in so long. Oh my gosh. Now with the smaller brush, I'm gonna go ahead and do the inner corner as well. We're almost done, but my lip color, I'm gonna redo this. I don't like how it's glossy. I don't think gloss will still look today. Okay guys, I'm gonna be swatching. Give me like 1 second. I'll look for a color. Oh yes, oh this is exactly what I wanted. I ended up mixing this one and with this Peri Pera ink. Okay, I'm done with the look. Let me do my hair and I'll be right back. Well, this is the final look. What do you guys think? Am I sun-kissed? Am I ready for the summer or what? I feel like this tutorial was like all over the place because I'm just like 정신없어 and like I'm kind of indecisive when it comes to makeup too. So yeah, but thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. And what else? Don't forget to subscribe and also give me a like, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!